What will you be doing this spring and summer with your check decor? Welcome, I'm Jeanette. This is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This piece is a new in the shop item, and it's going to be a great DIY inspiration for you to do something fun with your check decor this spring or this summer. And that involves just putting even a bow around a bouquet of faux flowers or even real flowers. Now, whether you're into French country, courtly check decor, or maybe even buffalo checked, with your kitchen farmhouse, this piece is going to look great with all of that, and your whimsy decor as well. The eye-popping colors on these sunflowers is absolutely amazing. They have a lifelike look with their petals, the centerpieces, and also the leaves are just beautiful. Now this piece is wrapped in a 3-inch pot with burlap cover, and then the black and white checked bow is added on, and it's done like the traditional potted bow like you get from the nursery or a flower shop. Now what's great about this piece is it's so versatile. It's 3-inch pots, so it can sit on a windowsill, it can go on your mantle, it can go on your patio, on a small table on your porch, or it would make a great gift, housewarming gift, check lover gift, neighbor gift. It stands about 11 inches tall, but because of those bright yellow colors in the flowers, it really grabs attention. You can mix it with candles, you can mix it with glassware, dishes, and so forth, even next to your centerpiece on your dining room table. And of course, I always throw this in, but what a great way to welcome guests in your foyer or in a guest room. Or maybe you want to enjoy them for yourselves and put them on your vanity. Now, obviously, you can do this with any color ribbon, but the point is it's something quick and simple you can put together and throw into your decor that's really going to make an impact. So, you can find a link for this item in the description below, and if you want to see more new items in the shop or DIY inspiration ideas, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.